Hello YouTube, this is Matt Stats and we are back with another video for you guys. Before we move on, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and like the video. By the way, when you like the video, it helps other people who are trying to get help. And when you subscribe to the channel, it helps me. So help me and also help others to get that same help that you are actually getting right now. Without any delay, let's get active. Today we are talking about multiplication of polynomials. The best way to actually do this is by examples. So let's just get to the example and let's make it happen. Let's say we have x to the power of n times x to the power of n plus yn. So how are we gonna do this? We're basically going to multiply xn and with yn. So remember, when we have the same base, all you do is you add the exponent. So here we have xn times xn, or x to the power of n. That will be x, and we're going to add n plus n, which is equal to 2n. And xn times yn, because they don't have the same base, then it's just going to be xn yn. And that's it. Let's do a second example. Let's say we do, let's say we have 2a cubed 3a squared minus 2a plus 3. Well, so how are we going to do this? We're going to multiply. We're doing basically the distributive formula. So you're going to have 2. We're going to multiply everything outside right here. Oh, actually, let me use a different color. We're going to multiply everything right here with everything in here. Okay? So what would that be equal to? Well, that would be 2 times 3 would be equal to 6. A cubed times a times a squared. Remember, they have the same base, that will be a, and then you have 3 plus 2. Okay? But I'm going to put 5 because it's 3 plus 2 equals to 5. That will equal to 5. Minus 2 times 2 is equal to 4. A cubed times a will be equal to a to the power of 4. Plus 2 times 2 is equal to 6. And a cubed times 1 is equal to a cubed. And that's what you're going to get from this right here. So this is basically when you're multiplying polynomials. Let me do one last example and we're going to move on to another aspect. Let's say we are doing an plus 1 times an minus minus 3a plus 2. What would that equal to? Well, let's do this. an plus 1 times an. First thing first, let's think about it. What is an plus 1? an plus 1 is basically equal to an times a. Alright? That's how it's equal to. So when you multiply an plus 1 times an, what you need to think about is what an plus 1 actually is. So basically what you're going to be doing is basically an times a times an minus 3a plus 2. Alright? So now you actually can see this part openly. So how are you going to do this? Well, very simple. An times an would be equal to what? That would be equal to n plus n is 2, 2n plus 1. Alright? Why is it 2n plus 1? It is because if you do an times a times an, you're going to get n plus n is equal to 2n, and that's a 1 plus 1. So sometimes you have to, if you're unable to do it, if you're unable to see it, try to break it down. That way you can actually easily understand what is going on. So that will be a2n plus 1 minus an plus 1 times 3a. Again, so you have an times a times 3a. What would that equal to? Well, that would equal to 3a, 1 plus 1 equal to 2, n plus 2. And an plus 2a will be equal to 2an plus 1. And that will be your answer right here. So do you see how simple it is? Now, I say simple, but if you are unable to actually break it down, then you're going to have a hard time understanding what to do. Let's move on to, let's do 2 more examples, and we're going to be done with this exercise. Let's say we have x plus 3 times x squared plus 5x minus 8. Well, we're going to multiply everything. So x times x squared is equal to x cubed. X times 5x equal to 5x squared. X times 8 will be equal to 8x, or in that case, negative 8x. Plus 3 times x squared is 3x squared. 3 times 5x is equal to 15x. And 3 times 8 is equal to 24. And now all we can do is just add and subtract. So we're going to have x cubed, 5x squared plus 3x squared is equal to 8x squared. Negative 8x plus 15x is equal to 7x. And we have negative 24. And that is your answer right here. I said I was going to do another example, but I'm thinking this is pretty straightforward. And I don't think you guys need me to bombard you with the example. So we're going to stop right here. Basically, you get the idea is sometimes you need to break it down in order to know what exactly you're supposed to do. So guys, don't forget, like the video and click that subscribe button so that other people can actually see and get help as well. This is Math Stats. Hope to see you guys again. Until then, Math Stats out.